Well, it's 6:40 in the morning on a Sunday morning. Bell at the door. So yeah, 6:40 on a Sunday morning. It's very quiet. It's been very rainy all night, as you can see. There's a cat there. Hi, cat. Anyway, 6:40 on a Sunday morning. I'm up, dressed, showered, ready to go. I'm not going to work, which can only mean can't even get in the car, which can only mean one thing. It must mean it is the very first Four Guys, Cars and Coffee. So yeah, got about a 3-hour drive to get there. It's quite a trek, but should be good. So let's crack on. Okay, so we're out at Cars and Coffee's morning up here. Four guys have got the field here. This is all old school Fords. Well, majority of old school Fords. There's a couple of newer ones out there. But whilst we are here, Jack the founder of the Four Guys, has got his escort out, and he has very kindly said that we can take it for a little spin. So we're going to jump in, go for a spin around the block, have a little look around the car, and see what this thing's made of. Compared to the old Kirkies anyway.
Nice brand dash.
That's it.
Yeah, these will be like sofas compared to your seats.
It is, yeah, it's lovely. Bringing back memories of when my dad had a Mark II, Mark 1 and Mark II Fiesta. They were brown dash, etc, etc. Oh, mind the pot.
Get a bit of rattle from the exhaust.
Wasn't allowed in. Made me park in a car park.
That makes lovely.
Yeah.
That way, like a way bridge, isn't it?
That is the way bridge, yeah.
The ideal is going to make
So,
today.
If you'll obviously share, like, subscribe to the channel so that I can start making millions out of YouTube, I can buy a place like this and we can start doing little red Fiesta from this luxury manor. Got some nice little country roads here. We'll go for a little drive out. Yeah, get a bit of temp in it.
It'll be sort of warmed up.
Sounds alright, doesn't it? Nice sound to it.
Nice and raspy, innit?
Yeah. Spot on. So, what's the can?
It's a Kent 22.
It's the standard 1600 CVH, Kent 22 cam in it. 421 manifold, back box, 2-inch outward rolled tip. Kind of makes me want one for a daily driver. And I love the fact that there's no rev counter, there's just a little clock, because why not, you know? But yeah, lovely little motor. Goes well for what it is, sounds well for what it is. Looks the part out on the roads there. Really, really nice car. So yeah, another little feature special under the bonnet there, under the hood, under the belt, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, nice little motor. But yeah, Aston Martin and the Porsche over there, making a bit of a racket, but there you go. So yeah, huge shout out to Jack for letting us film his car, take us out for a little spin, and see you on the next one.
Mm-hmm.